The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2023 GMC Sierra short bed, and we've just installed the Retrax Pro XR. If you'd like to see a video of just that, we'll put a link to it in the description below. But on top of that, we've added the Yakima HD bar with SkyLine tower combo. So this is made up of the HD load bar, 68 inches in length, the SkyLine towers, set of 4, which have a quick release feature, and landing pad 1. So you need 2 sets of those as well. It's all bundled up in the link we have in the description below. But locks are available separately, and we do recommend them. It's not required, but as you can see here, it does have a quick release feature to move the bars from the landing pad. So without the locks, somebody might borrow your rack. So overall, you have a weight carrying capacity, dynamically speaking, of 220 pounds. That's the max rating that Yakima will rate for standard crossbar roof rack type setups, which this effectively is a roof rack on the truck bed. But great strong rack, hold rooftop tents, cargo, bicycles, and you still have access to the bed cover, so you can still manually operate it. There is a powered version of the cover if you're interested in not having to work around the bars as well. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.